50th birthday. Unpacking of gifts. Mami Joy. Kani?
I'll say, okay na.
Nalita, pwede mapag dato mga bata pa ta.
Saan siya?
Muna makita na kayo nung naong kung akong naong pagkaya rin yun.
Hindi.
Nice. Kahit cellphone po na.
Ha?
Kahit cellphone. Wow. Saan na? Winter. Winter time.
Sir Butch.
Oh, from Sir Boots from Europe.
From
Buong Europe daw iyang gihatag.
Paris.
From Paris. Ano yan?
Arbutin Lawrence. Thailand.
Sawadika.
Sawadika.
Sawadika. Oh.
Like, Kuya Nathan.
Sawadika.
Cancun, Mexico.
From Mexico there, Sir Boots.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kana ani oy. Chocolate vanilla. Ako. Osaka,
Japan
Japan.
tayo. Mexico, Japan, Paris, Osaka, wow.
Beats and kuan experience in the Paris.
Sa
Bag. Galing sa Paris, France.
okay, more gifts.
Sawadika.
Sawadika.
Ooh, I don't know.
That's from
Her name. Joy.
Dili ka ang concerts. Dili ka ang mga concerts. Ang mga concerts.
Sa Manila na family.
Sam and Elena family.
Guess
what?
Wow.
Yes.
Nice.
Thank you. Kain.
Dapat itong ginay mo buhok. Kailangan bata ka.
Another gift.
Another gift.
Whoa. Look at this. They know. I love this one. Vests.
It's a vest for winter, yapon.
Winter. And I
Nasugod na
have
ba og tugnaw?
Christmas pajama.
Oh, pajama.
Yeah, thank you.
It's from?
From Janice, Joanna and John
Yeah, from the
Bird.
Perez family.
Perez family.
Next.
Next. Oh, coffee mais. I don't know the
Mais. Coffee.
I don't know the name. Oy,
Oh, that's
my
nice.
vest.
Roasted white corn.
That's
Nice.
nice. That's nice.
Vest. I don't know. Who gives this one? No name.
From who?
Thank you. Thank
Oh,
you.
thank you. Wala yung name, pero thank you kaayo. Ay, thank you ko ako ikuan.
Thank you, Kaayo. Thank you.
Birthdayhan.
Oh,
Where's
Joy.
that?
You're an angel, a star of blessing. The Giana.
Oh, the Gianan family, the G-fam.
The G-fam.
Plus the rose, the bouquet of rose. Oh,
And
wow,
then this
that's
one.
urine.
Yes, thank you,
Thank
G-fam.
you, G-fam.
For our
Ang bouquet, para dito ang bouquet, oh.
Napay bouquet.
The bouquet of flowers.
Gisulti ka pag dili ka mag-feel nga kuan,
Ate Joy. From Miss Salazar.
Miss Salazar.
Miss Salazar. Wow.
Oh, the Boda Love, the water
Enjoy.
treatment.
Okay, dili
Yep.
mapud baminaw ang estudyante sa ako.
Enjoy. Thank you for this.
Pag ito makumbok.
Wow.
Bata pa rin naman yan.
Shampoo. Wow. Organic that, no?
Oh, organic na siya.
Dito hindi ko sila
Oh, thank you. Expensive brand.
ay dili necessary kaya ang buhok din sa Amerika.
Last but not the least,
Wisdom ang ngalan nila. Kung ako na dito interview ng mga professor isa diyan sa Canada. Inaani lang ang buhok.
I am the good shepherd. Gusti. Ate Mimi. The Casinillos. Yay. Olivia. Oy. Dr. O.
oh, Dr. O.
Wow.
Wow,
Product.
social.
Social. Expensive brand.
Expensive brand.
Expensive brand. Dr. O. Kido.
And
Olivia O.
the cash
Kido.
gifts from
From North Carolina. The Casinillos.
Casimiro.
Thank you.
And nagatag sa imong mga cash gift, Piral family.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Isa pa.
I don't know. The card is
Rosales family, the card with something in it.
okay.
Isa pa.
Everything else. I don't know.
Ate Loida.
Ate Loida.
Yeah,
Ate Loida, the Piral. Kung na-forget na ko ang mention, salamat sa gift.
TJ and kung sa
TJ
imong
and
crown.
Regina. Oh, yeah. My tiara and my birthday sash.
So these are all
Oh.
the 50th birthday gift
Professor is
from Mrs.
Bikotiho na puti,
Thank you everyone for
puti, formal, puti.
your presence during the celebration at Pinay's Kitchen. Thank you and have a blessed day.
Wala sa kay basi.
Bye for now.
70 years old na po.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong uploaded na videos namin. Bye! God bless!